So much breaking crypto news today on so many different assets. Let's dive right in. First, Bitcoin. The Bitcoin Lightning Network is growing at 9% per month, depending on what metrics we look at. 9% per month is exponential, out of control growth. We know it's growing ridiculously fast. We know the fundamentals are so bullish for Bitcoin. Now, which assets are going to benefit the most from Bitcoin? Obviously, all the ones that haven't been discovered but are extremely valuable, like Chainlink, which is also growing so fast. Just this week, this happened. The Bybit integrates 35 plus Chainlink price feeds. Cody integrates Chainlink keepers into Armadillo. Salon Art integrates Chainlink price feeds. Aavegotchi expands its use of Chainlink. Aave is huge. Solana's huge. Cody's very interesting. But that is just 1 week's worth of activity. Oracles bring off-chain data to on-chain data. Chainlink dominates, and it is a crucial piece of blockchain infrastructure. Speaking of valuable blockchain infrastructure with bullish fundamentals, the Graph protocol is considered the Google of crypto. It allows you to query searches on blockchains. Well, look at the activity on the Graph protocol. GRT paid query fees absolutely skyrocketing in June and July. Pretty much they just launched this, and it is going absolutely vertical. Cumulative GRT build fee. So people pay GRT to make queries on blockchains. GRT is used on Arweave and other blockchains. So this is just exponential growth. You really want to stay on top of this when investing in blockchain infrastructure. What is the most important question in blockchain? It's, will politicians allow it to go through? Will regulators crush it? Well, this should be a defining moment for that question because it is so ridiculously huge. Texas GOP aims to enshrine crypto in state's constitution. So the GOP is in power in Texas. This is what they want to put in the Constitution. Since the GOP is in power, it means this is likely. It is absolutely massive. The right of the people to own, hold, and use a mutually agreed upon medium of exchange, including cash, digital currency, when trading and contracting for goods and services shall not be infringed. So they don't want any sort of regulation that would outlaw crypto. This is so ridiculously huge. The second the smart money gets a whiff of this and this regulatory clarity, a wall of money is going to come in. Now we have it in Texas, which is where most of the Bitcoin mining happens. They want it at the federal level, but if it goes down to the states, who cares? It's going to be super legit if a bunch of states adopt it, but obviously the federal government does not want to squash this. They've made that very clear. So regulation, you don't have to worry about. It is super exciting what is going on. So let's dive into the news and what is really going on beneath the surface. Coinbase Wallet integrates OpenSea and Rarible orders. So we know the Coinbase wallet, there's an NFT marketplace. They're integrating Rarible orders. So Rarible has its own token, the RARI token, the Rari token. Obviously very interesting if Coinbase is going to be integrating Rarible feeds. Very early stage assets. Speaking of early stage assets, we have the Maker DAO. So the Maker token governs the DAI stablecoin, which is absolutely huge. Lots of volume on there, billions of dollars worth of volume. But look at what else the Maker DAO is doing. They are collateralizing real world asset debt. Look at the growth. So they had 15 million collateralized in January. Now they have almost $45 million of real world assets collateralized in real estate, in revenue-based financing, in trade receivables, in shipping invoices. These are all real-world assets. Decentralized finance is merging with real finance. Absolutely huge. Let's go over to the metaverse. We talked about Decentraland yesterday, but here's another update in Decentraland. NFT, non-fungible tequila. This is from Jose Cuervo, introducing the first ever Cuervo NFT designed by our friend Peter Tarka. Head to Cuervo Meta Distillery in Decentraland. Another massive partnership. Jose Cuervo, Mountain Dew, Netflix, all building out a Decentraland.